Can I just say, so bababa lang ako to get matcha kasi wala na akong matcha dito sa condo. So I thought of sharing with you guys yung everyday perfume na ginagamit ko. Meron akong combination na ginagamit for my perfume. First of which ay itong LOE Sunny Breeze. I get my bottles of LOE sa Korea and you can see naman, paubos na kasi nga ginagamit ko to for my everyday. So PSA first, if nasa Korea ka, please let me know. I haven't been to Korea mga 6 months na yata and I don't have plans of going in the next few months. Kaya kung nasa Korea ka or kung meron kang stock nitong LOE, please reach out to me dito sa TikTok or message me sa Instagram. But anyway, itong LOE Sunny Breeze, kinuha ko to sa Korea kasi sobrang bangon niya. Pero yung thought ko nung binili ko to, hindi ako kukuha ng madami kasi I'm not sure if this will work here in the Philippines. Kasi sa Korea, malamig nung binili ko to and it works really well. Para ka talagang sunny breeze, parang a whiff of summer kapag ginamit mo to doon. But inisip ko, baka pag ginamit ko to dito sa Pilipinas, baka it turns sour, pero apparently hindi. Sobrang perfect nito yung summer scent na binibigay nito. You know, let me just spray it first. I just spray a few sprays sa akin. If I'll describe this, yung amoy niya para kang, it's like biting fresh green apples. Alam mo yung freshness, pag kinagat mo yung apple, ganun yung vibe nito. Also, it's very citrusy. Meron siyang orange, you can smell lemons probably. Yung dry down niya, sobra akong fan ng sandalwood. And yung dry down nito is a very creamy sandalwood. Parang light musk na para ka talagang umaamoy ng fresh white linens. Ganun to, sobra akong fan ng mga ganong scents. This on its own, sobrang perfect nito. I mean, for the Philippine weather, sobrang dami kong compliments na nakukuha when I use this. But, para mas ma-elevate to, I combine LOE with my bottle of wood sage and sea salt from Jo Malone. So yung pagiging fresh linen scent, yung very citrusy scent ng LOE, mix mo dun sa amoy dagat, yung salty air scent na binibigay nitong Jo Malone. Together, they make a bomb, really. Sobrang bango, paubos ko na rin to. But itong dalawang to, sila yung forever everyday combo ko. Ito yung okay lang sa akin gamitin siya everyday kasi hindi ganun kamahal tong LOE. Yung Jo Malone naman, ang laki naman nito, hindi mo to agad mauubos. So kung gusto mo rin ng whiff of summer, yung pag-spray mo parang good morning world. Better use this combo. I say go na, try mo na.